Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use seals in Monopoly Go to protect your landmarks from auto players. So, if you want to keep your properties safe, make sure you stick around. Seals are super important in Monopoly Go because they protect your properties from getting attacked. When someone attacks your landmark, a seal will block the attack and prevent any damage. You can hold up to 3 seals at once, so it's key to use them wisely. Here's how the seal protection works. If another player tries to attack your landmark and you have seals, the game automatically uses a shield to block the damage. Each attack uses a bonus shield, so make sure to keep an eye on how many seals you have left. Once you are out of the seals, you won't be protected anymore. You can get more seal through rolling the dice, participating in events, or claiming daily rewards, so keep collecting them to stay protected. And that's it. Now you know how to use seals in Monopoly Go to protect your landmarks from attacks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.